one. And guess what I got for New Year? Did you guess it right? It's a MacBook Air. The gold MacBook Air. Let me take it out. My God, look at this.
Oh my God. How old are you?
I'm 8. I'm really lucky just to get this MacBook Air. As you see, it has 2 ports.
It's called as port.
2 ports.
Mm-hmm.
And it's fairly thin for a MacBook. As you see, probably the lightest MacBook Air. As this is the 8th generation, and those ports that you see right here are for the USB-Cs, I'm pretty sure. Now, should we get opening?
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, can I actually do it?
You can do it.
Oh my.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's like a snake.
Oh my God.
Oopsies.
It's so fun.
Yeah, and so long. Who knew? Whoa. And flip the box. And this is the scan code.
Because your fingers are too small.
I hope so. It's not that. Oh, I think I got something. Over here, I think. Yeah,
Ooh.
got it. Look at that.
So nice. So cool.
Yeah, look at this. I just want to stare at it. Look at that.
Why did you choose a gold color?
Oh, because gold is gold, and gold is like my favorite color in the world, and it's really popular. So I like it.
Ooh. Silly.
I'm gonna put this back.
Okay, can you put it here?
I'm gonna put it back. I want to first want to explore the main. This guy. Let's take the plastic out. Who wants plastic when you can see in real life?
That's
Who wants plastic if you could see it for real life? Like I said. And boop.
Wow.
Wow. Hey, where did the screen go? At least I see the apple.
Take it out, and there should be a sensor. Yeah, it's
There's a
booting up.
sensor.
It's booting up. You don't have to touch anything. You don't have to do anything. It's booting up.
You don't even have to put the USB-C?
No, it's booting up out of the battery.
Oh.
So, okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I think it's going to take about 2 minutes.
Yep.
So why it takes 2 minutes, why not let's explore? Which one do you want
Okay,
guys to do
come
first?
here. I'll show you something.
Yeah.
So,
To
see.
use English as the main language,
Okay.
press the return key.
Return key. Find the return key.
Boop.
Press it. Perfect. Now wait for the next prompt.
I'm the youngest in my class to get this. Canada?
Okay, press return key.
Hey!
Oops. Sorry about that. I
Mac
guess
OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
we'll do Mac voiceover later on, okay?
Okay,
And
just press
wait.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, how
So
do-
this is
The-
a touchpad.
Yeah,
Okay, it's like a mouse.
yeah,
And you turn it.
yeah.
So you see that
This-
arrow going around.
Yeah,
So what we are gonna do
let's
is
press it on the Canada.
so Canada is already highlighted. When something is highlighted, that means it's selected. Okay?
Yeah, so how do we continue?
So you come here and then you
Press it.
perfect.
Now which one? Bell. Which
Okay.
one? Home? Home? Which one?
Wait.
All of them are locked.
Okay, so this part we will do. When I'm doing the Wi-Fi setting, can you talk about what else is in the box?
Well, that's obvious. We have it, the USB. Let me take it out for you.
Here,
A
here,
little bit
here.
hard.
Put it here.
It's a little bit hard. I'm gonna go do it like this. Now here's a USB-C. So this is the charger cable. Well, that attaches to the other side.
Mm-hmm.
And I think, and that's for the other side. And this, and aha! Here, as you see here, that's where it charges into the wall. And then, oops.
It's
Well-
very easy. If you here, see, there's a pull up.
Uh-huh.
If you do from here, it's very easy.
Look. So you plug it into the wall, like I said, and then you could plug this into here, like that. But we're not gonna do that right now.
Okay.
And now the most exciting
So-
part.
MacBook boy, look here.
Yeah.
So it says transfer information to this Mac. So how do you want to transfer your information?
On the time machine.
So it's about like, you know, if you already have another MacBook
Yeah.
and you want to reuse your apps or reuse your data, you do not want to install it again, then you have an option to transfer this. You don't need to learn this now because this is your first Mac, right?
Yeah.
So the option is don't transfer.
Any information.
Don't
now.
transfer any information now. This is what we are going to select and then we will continue, okay?
Oh.
So now it's called as something like Apple ID. So every Apple product that you buy, you create an Apple ID. Okay?
Okay.
And that's how you share your data, your photos, anything photos and apps.
Oh,
like if you install an iPad,
Yeah.
right? It is
Yeah.
available in the iPhone as well.
Yeah.
It's because everything is linked together using an Apple ID. It's an ID.
And is the ID an email?
ID is an email, but password is not what is email's password. Password is a different password. It's just an email so that, you know, Apple can contact you using that email, and it's easy to remember because it's email. So we are not going to do it's your email. We are going to set it as a family account, okay?
Okay.
So mom is going to use her Apple ID, okay? But you can show the USB-C port while mama is doing mom's ID, okay?
But wait, guys, look at this. I only bought this because of this amazing gold sticker. So
Where are you going to put those stickers?
I think I should put them
You
So-
can decide later.
somewhere. I think I'm gonna put them here and here.
Okay, can you move it there? Thank you. Do you like this color?
Yeah, I like it. It's cool. Better than rose gold. Apple made a new color for laptops. Gold. Do cell phones already have gold? Oh.
It was not with the laptop. I like space gray, but yeah,
Space gray is a little bit dark and boring.
yeah.
Who
Why not
likes it?
silver? Why didn't you choose silver?
Silver's not that bright.
You
Gold.
wanted a bright one? Oh, I chose it because we already have silver and space gray.
I think I should put one here and one on the back. No, one here, one there. I agree. Okay, and what's this? Force touch trackpad. Like right here.
Yeah, this is called as manual.
Manual instructions. Welcome to MacBook Air. MacBook Air.
Okay, see, I'm